So we've seen what the FTSE weekly charts can do. Now let's have a look at the Eurostoxx. I know that a lot of you have actually started trading the Eurostoxx, and you know, it really is a great market to trade. So let's have a look and see what the weekly chart showed us. You can see here quite clearly that we double based in the Eurostoxx. Now if you look at this low of 26.72, 8th of February this year, look across at last week's low, it was 26.78. So there were so little pips in it, really was. Now there was no fundamental reason why that market stopped at that base, none whatsoever. So you can see that that was clearly a technical move. Now if we look down at our technical indicators, the stochastics are showing quite clearly a move to the top side. Now this here is at the start of a move higher. The minimum target that I think that the Eurostoxx can go to is here. Okay, now to get measured targets from markets, it's really simple process to do them. Okay, there's nothing at all complicated in looking at a measured target. I'll just show you one. Okay, so we've got this one. Now we can see that this is a base formation. Okay, so what we do is we take the top of that base formation, and you can see that that comes in at 3156. You minus that down to the lowest point that we reached, which is 2674. Now that then gives you a total of 482 pips. All you do is you add on to that 3156, you add on the 482. So if you've got 3156 add 482 equals 3,638. Now what I'll do is I'll show you what I've just explained. There's the top, there is your double bottom. Okay, I will just put it on here so you can see it. There you go. So there's your double bottom. There's your top, and your projected measured target is here. I'll just write that down for you. Now if you look at even, you know, November time, so the end of last year, we were near enough at 3,500, as good as, damn it, well, we was just above there, right? So there is absolutely no reason why these stock markets can't go back to where they were. Now this would, in actual fact, not push it up as high as the FTSE at all, and the European markets, and I'll do the DAX in a minute, but the European markets still look weaker than the UK markets, and especially the US markets. But look guys, you're at the beginning of a move up. Weekly says so, my monthly says so, my daily is going to look a bit buoyant as well. But let's look at this bigger picture view. Okay, now obviously I'm going to be talking to you during the week about this, but let's just look at it. You know, we're not nowhere near where we could go, even if we didn't reach this projected target, even if we faltered here at the top of the base pattern. We've still got an awful long way to go on the top side. So it is a case of buying into weakness. It is a case of buying a lot into weakness. Okay, if we do see pullbacks this coming week to around the 27.90, 27.50 area, buy it and put longer term stops below here. Even if you have to cut down your size to do it, please, this is going to go higher. Okay, and we're at the start of a move higher, so let's good luck for this, and hopefully we'll get in at a really good area to take advantage of this expected move higher.